In this video, I am going to show you how to write journal entries for redemption of debenture by purchase from open market. We have question 1. XYZ Limited purchase for cancellation of its own 1500 10% debentures of ₹100 each at 95 per debenture. The expense of purchases amounted to 1200. Pass necessary journal entries. We have here books of XYZ Limited, journals, and the first journal is for the purchase of debenture, own debentures account debit to bank account. Here we need to write the purchase amount, purchase price. So here the purchase price is ₹95 per debenture and 1200 expenses. So we have 1500 number of debentures into 95 plus 1200 gives you 1,43,700. Same amount will be there in the own debenture account, being the purchase of 1500 debentures at the rate of ₹95. Now next entry is the cancellation entry, because the debentures are purchased for the purpose of cancellation. So we have the entry 10% debentures account debit to own debentures account. 10% debentures will take the face value, nominal value. So here 1500 into 100, 100 is the nominal value. So the value comes to 1,50,000, and the own debentures account value is up there, which is 1,43,700. So we see the difference in the total of debit and credit. Debit is 1,50,000, whereas credit is 1,43,700. So we have a balancing amount of 6,300. This balancing amount is on the credit side, so we have gain on cancellation of own debentures account credit, being on 1500 10% debentures of ₹100 each cancelled. Now since here we have gain, so this profit will be transferred to capital reserve. So we have the entry gain on cancellation of own debentures account debit to capital reserve account, and the amount is 6,300. So this is the end of the journal for question number 1. Now we take the question number 2. Ananya Limited purchase its own 2008% debentures of ₹50 each at 60 per debenture for immediate cancellation. These debentures were redeemable at 10% premium. Pass necessary journal entries for purchase and cancellation of debentures. Here we go. Books of Ananya Limited, journals, and again the first entry in the same way, own debentures account debit to bank account. Now here we need to take the purchase price. So we can see here the purchase price is ₹60. So you have 2000 number of debentures into 60 gives you 1,20,000. So same amount even for own debentures account. Now next entry is for the cancellation. So we have the entry 8% debentures account debit to own debentures account. Now can you tell me what amount should be written here? Yes, it is 2000 into 50. Why 50? Because 50 is the face value. So you have 1 lakh. And what is the value for own debentures? Yes, it is 1,20,000. This is what we have in number 1 here. Then we see here the debentures are redeemable at 10% premium. So for this we'll have PRD account, that means premium on redemption of debentures account debit. And what is the premium? 10%. 10% of 50 rupees is 5. So it is 2000 into 5 gives you 10,000. Right? Now let's take the total here. What is the total of the debit side? 1,10,000 for this journal entry. And on the credit it is 1,20,000, right? So here we have 10,000 balancing amount on the debit side, and debit side means loss on issue of debentures account debit, being on 2008% debentures of ₹50 is cancelled. Now, since there is a loss on issue of debentures account, this loss has to be written off, and it should be written off either from capital reserve or statement of profit and loss. Now, in this question, there is no capital reserve given, so this will be written off from statement of profit and loss. So you have a statement of profit and loss debit to loss and cancellation of debentures account, and the loss is 10,000. So this is the amount written off. This is the end of the journal for question number 2.